name is Mariam and I'm 27 years old and I come from India. I belong to Hinduism and not a very practicing family. The place from where I come from, although there were Muslims there, but whole 23 years there I have never met any Muslims. You know, they are not good people. Terrorism is related to them. They are terrorists, they are bad, stay away from them. But then I used to work in Barclays over here and I had Muslim friends. They were very good. And that was the time that I realized that, okay, these are humans and these are really nice people. I started searching online before accepting Islam. 1 year I had studied it, not the Quran, only from the online or the Googling and all that. Before that it was always like, oh, okay, I have my parents, I have that car, I have so much and so much money. But when everything, it's like Allah takes away everything from you to show that, okay, now what are you going to do? I have taken everything from you. I think that Allah had put that strength in me at that point of time that I will not step back no matter what. When I took the Quran in my hand, I literally, even if now I see my hands shiver, it's like I cried and cried and cried holding it. I just cried. I cried for, I don't know, more than half an hour. I just kept crying.